Hey everyone, and welcome to the Tesla Fire Challenge YouTube channel. This is day 8 of 1000. So hello and welcome to the Tesla Fire Challenge YouTube channel. If you're new, welcome. Hope you stick around. If you've been here before, welcome back. It's good to have you. For all my new viewers, this channel is all about investing money and being all in on Tesla stock no matter what. So join me on my journey to make $1 million in 1000 days. So in today's video, I'll be going through my day 8 portfolio update. I'll also be looking at the 1 year chart for Tesla to see where the stock could be heading, and I'm going to be looking at potential buying opportunities at key moving average levels. So let's get into it. So today is day 8. It's the 30th of December 2021 before market open. So I've got two portfolios, portfolio A and portfolio B. In portfolio A, I've just got over 117 shares. In portfolio B, I've just got under 91 shares. So in total, I have 207.87829 shares in Tesla. And that's everything that I hold in terms of equity. So the closing price for Tesla on the 31st of December was 1070.34. So if we multiply the number of shares that I hold by the value, it comes to $222,500.44, and the daily movement was negligible. So that's day 8 of 1000. So I'm going to be trying to get you daily updates on my portfolio for up to 1000 days, and hopefully by day 1000 I'll hit $1 million. So let's get into the technical analysis side of things. So here is the 1 year technical chart on Tesla. So this is 31st of December 2021. So I just wanted to bring to your attention the price movements of Tesla is represented by candlesticks. You've got two lines on the main chart. You've got the moving average is 50 and you've got the moving average is 200. So these serve as excellent support and resistance lines. Also, I use two indicators in my analysis. I've got the relative strength index at the top and the MACD at the bottom. So let's mark up this chart. So if we look at this chart now, what I've done is I've put 3 trend lines on there. So trend lines, this is where there's like significant bounces or significant buying and selling. So if you look at T1, T2 and T3, you can see like on T1, it bounces off that line and then goes up. On T2, it serves like another bounce from the upper level and then it goes up again. And T3 is sort of like a resistance where it's trying to break that. So you got T1, T2 and T3 channeling. So then what I've done is I've done another channel, but this is a downward channel. I've represented this as T4 and T5. So at the moment, the price is channeling downwards. It's at the top level of the channel, so there is a potential that it might break out, and if it fails to break out, then it's going to go down to the MA50, and then if it fails that support, then it's going to go down to the lower end of the channel. So it's really good to like watch these changes to find opportunities to get into Tesla at really good prices, because if you can get in at really good prices, you're going to lower your cost basis and then it's going to be a much smoother ride. So what I've done now is I've put a line that says F1. So if you look at the price movements now, you can see on the chart that there's a pattern that looks like a flag. So this is called the flag pattern, and this is a very bullish pattern. So potentially this is good for Tesla. If it can break out of its current price levels, then it should be heading up. So with the flag pattern, the possible price target for Tesla is going to be the length of the flagpole. So if you take that flagpole length and put it on the other side, it has the potential to reach $1,400 to $1,500. So this is very similar to what Wall Street analysts are expecting. So it just needs some good news, some sort of catalyst to move it up to 1450. So I would say at the moment it's a good buying opportunity. If there is good news, very good news, then the price is going to run away. So another thing I wanted to share with you is I wanted to take a closer look at the 1 year chart. So this is probably the last 30 days of movement. As you can see, I've circled the last price movement. It's very close to the moving averages 50 line. So this represents a really good buying opportunity because most of the time, and I say most of the time, when the price hits MA50, it usually bounces back unless there's like some sort of terrible news, then it breaks the MA50. So if that happens, then it's probably going to go down a bit more. But you know, these key levels are where you should be buying at. So at the MA50, I would buy more than normal. If it breaks the MA50 and it goes to the next support level, I'd probably be buying more. And if it goes to the MA200, which is that red line you can see right at the bottom, if it hits that line, then I'll try and buy as much as possible because the MA200 serves as a really good support, and it's going to be an excellent opportunity for me to lower my cost basis. So I just wanted to go through the daily news as well. So the latest news on Tesla is this is from Reuters, so it's a reliable source. So Tesla recalls almost 500,000 electric cars over safety issues. So Tesla is recalling more than 475,000 of its Model 3 and Model S electric cars to address some sort of issues. So I just wanted to put this into context. On a long enough timeline, every car maker will have recalls. So this is to be expected. Car makers, Ford, GM, Mercedes, BMW, every car maker has recalls on safety. So this news shouldn't make you panic. It's just a blemish and that's it. So I've been receiving a lot of calls, a lot of emails, a lot of text messages, WhatsApp messages asking me, oh, should I sell Tesla stock? So I'm just telling them, no, this is just a blemish, just something that Tesla has the capacity to deal with. So there's no need to, panic sell. What I'm actually advising people is, Tesla is priced to perfection. So any blip at all, any slight blip will cause a sell-off. So you should actually look at this as a great buying opportunity. So whenever there is a recall, I personally try to buy more at depressed prices. So what are the key points of this video? So I have a greater conviction that Tesla is forming a flag and pole pattern on its chart, where the price could potentially go up to $1,400 to $1,500. I just wanted to say this is not guaranteed, but telltale signs are there. So even with the vehicle recall, price didn't fall much. We just need some sort of positive news to move the stock higher. Another thing is 1090 is a strong resistance for Tesla where a lot of investors are selling. So we need some sort of some sort of bullish news to break this resistance, and then Tesla can start to break out. Another thing is RSI is slightly neutral bearish, so you can't really tell much from that. And MACD is showing some weak positive divergences. So indicators at the moment are not supporting a big upward movement. So it could consolidate around here for a while until there's some sort of a good news to break it out. If there is good news, the price will break out of this channel, and hopefully, this will be soon. If there is no news or bad news, then the price will retrace to 1052, 1052, which is the next support at MA50. So this is another great buying opportunity, and I'll try to buy more at that price level. So every time I post these videos, I'm going to share my Tesla 10-year weekly chart. And this is just to get people to know how volatile this share is. So in the last 10 years, Tesla has fallen 20% or more on 15 occasions. So I just wanted to tell you that it's not going to be plain sailing if you invest in Tesla over the long run. The best thing to do is dollar cost average into this share like I did over 18 months, and then buy more when the prices fall at key support levels. So you shouldn't expect a straight line with this stock. I also wanted to share the 5-year weekly chart with you as well. So in the last 5 years, Tesla has fallen 20% or more on 9 different occasions. So again, it won't be plain sailing, so don't expect a straight line. The good news is, I think Tesla is very similar to Amazon. They're in different sectors, I know, but they're very similar stocks in terms of they have like really driven CEOs. They're leading in their market space. They're like the best innovators in that space as well. If you look at Amazon stock on the left-hand side, over the last 25 years, it has risen 196,000%. If you look at Tesla on the right-hand side, over 11 years, it has risen 28,000%. So Tesla is a relatively new company. It still hasn't matured yet. It's still growing phenomenally. I think it's growing like 50% every quarter. So, this company has the capacity to 10x. So if you're thinking, oh, Tesla is overpriced, should I buy? Just look at these two charts, put them next to each other. And in the grand scheme of things, I think we've still got a long way to go. So the best thing to do is like dollar cost average into the stock. And then when the price is depressed or when the price reaches a really good support level, that's when you should buy more. So I just wanted to give you the final update of the day 8 of 1000 portfolio. So the portfolio value was $222,500.44. So finally, for anyone interested, I invest money with a tax-free ISA account app called Freetrade. So you should definitely be checking that out. The app has a very simple interface and has a cheap monthly cost of £3 per month. You can buy and sell shares commission free, and there's immediate deposits. There's a huge variety of stocks and shares to choose from the UK and US. And what I've done is I've left a referral link below. So if you sign up using that referral link, you will get a free stock worth up to £200. I will also get a free stock. So it's a win-win situation. So join me if you like these videos. Join me in my journey. I appreciate any likes. I'll read all your comments. I appreciate your subscription. I hope to bring you value, and I wish you all the best on your investment journey. And until the next update, have a great day.